don't like the law, give a little whistle. Give a little whistle. When you beat temptation and the urge is very strong, give a little whistle. Give a little whistle. Not just a little squeak, knock her up and go. And if your whistle's weak, yeah.
Woo!
Straight and narrow path. If you start to slide, give a little whistle. Give a little whistle. I know that will come to be your God.
Well, that ass, she's got him down, doesn't she?